Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Venair 137 in League of Legends. Here what you're gonna do, go to search, type in add or remove programs. Once it opens, you wanna type in here, type in Riot. You wanna find Riot Vanguard, click on three dots, uninstall, yes, and it will quickly uninstall it. And after it's done uninstalling, you're gonna exit out of this. Reopen Riot Client. Once the Riot Client opens, you want to go to League of Legends, click update, and it will install Vanguard. Click yes, and it's quickly going to install Vanguard. After it's done installing, you want to exit out of this. You want to go back to search, type in Windows Defender Firewall, click here, allow an app or feature, click change settings, click allow another app, click browse, click local disk C. You want to go Riot Games, Riot Client. You want to add Riot Client to the list. I already have it for you to add it, and you want to do the same for League of Legends clients, which is this one. So you go Riot Games, League of Legends, League Client 29.740, open add. Okay, and the last thing you want to add is the local disk C, program files, find Riot, and you want to add VGC, open add. After you've done that, you want to exit out of this, go back to search, type in run. In run, you want to type in this services.msc. Okay. It will open this window. Press somewhere here, press V in your keyboard till you find VGC, double click on it. Switch to startup from manual to automatic, click apply, click OK, and you can close this out. Go back to search one more time, click or type in system configuration. Go to services tab, click hide on Microsoft services, scroll all the way down till you find VGC, untick it, take it back again, click apply, click OK. And it will ask you to restart your PC one more time, and after you restart your PC last time, it will properly work. If that somehow doesn't work, the only thing you can do is downgrade to Windows 10 and your game should be working fine. If that's not the case, then it's probably your either ISP or bad Wi-Fi or like a bad internet cable or just unstable internet. Try using your phone's hotspot for one game and then see if that helps anything. And yeah, that's it for this video. That's how you fix Venair 137 in League of Legends. Subscribe if you want to join the giveaway, like, comment. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.